For my next video, I'd like to do one on the company Smart Devil and their quick install of a shatterproof screen protector. So this is going to be for the Galaxy S25 Ultra. And before we even start, actually we've started, we're just going to unbox right now, but I want to say this very quickly. This is the easiest, most accurate install of a screen protector I've ever done in 30 plus years. It's that good. So with that said, let's go ahead and open this up. So you get 3 of everything, 3 screen protectors, 3 prep kits, I call them prep kits, and then 1 box to put your phone in. So you can do this up to 3 times if you crack your screen protector along the way. The installation is absolutely idiot proof. I mean, it's phenomenal. Again, it's the most simple installation. I took it off and I wasn't even sure I had the screen protector on it. That's how well it is. So, okay, so here we have the box and it's already loaded with the screen protector. The trick is if there's a trick, is you want to keep the one part under the phone, okay, like I have right here. I'll try to show you this. This makes more sense. Okay, so we're gonna, that part goes under the phone. So, and I mean above the phone instead of under the phone. That part you want touching the screen. You don't want it wrapped around it. So now all you do is you pull, and that's wiping the fingerprints off, wiping the dust. You keep pulling while keeping a good grip on the box. And then I just went up and down with it very slightly, and then you take it off, and this is where I was amazed. I was literally floored. I didn't even think it was on it. I had one little small bubble, and I had to take it up close to be able to say, yeah, it's actually on it. It's that accurate and that simple. We've got some cameraman problems here. We'll fix that. So you just take the box off of the phone, and you can see right to the right there, there's just a little bubble. I pushed it out. Complete, flawless, simple install. Absolutely amazing. So that's my video. Smart Devil screen protector, and this one is glass, obviously, as well. I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. Thank you for your time, and until next time, I'm out.